Hi everyone. So today we will learn how we can add videos on YouTube, how we can edit the description, thumbnails, and add our videos on our YouTube channel. So this is my YouTube homepage. On the top right corner, you can see there is a plus icon with the video that says create. Once I click here, I click on upload video. Then it will take me to the YouTube Creator Studio. You can directly open studio.youtube.com also for your channel, and from there you can upload a video. Now, right when it opens, it asks me to select a file and upload a video. So I'll select my file, how to run ads on Snapchat. So now my file is selected and I need to give title. So I have given title how to run ads on Snapchat 2024. You can add some hashtags so that it is visible when people are searching. You can also add descriptions and tell more about the video about to your audience. Now then we come to the thumbnail. So you can auto generate thumbnail. It will take any picture from your video, or it's better to upload a thumbnail file. So I have already made my YouTube thumbnail file on Canva. So I will select that. My thumbnail is uploaded, and you can see on the right side on the video it shows. Then you are asked to select a playlist if you want to add your video to any playlist. I'm not adding it to any playlist, so that's why I'm leaving it blank. And it asks you whether it is made for kids or is not made for kids. So no, it's not made for kids. Obviously, there is nothing harm if kids uh, watch this video, but still it's for adults who want to learn. Now I click next. Now here we will be asked to add an end screen. So I will add the end screen. I will select one video, import from latest video. So it will select my latest video and subscribe button. So I'll click save. Then I will click next. So there are no copyright issues found because this video has been made by me. So there is no other copyright issue. And then I will click next. Now I will make it as public. So for publishing so that everyone can watch my video. Either I can set an instant premium or I can schedule a premiere at a given time. So if I want to schedule a premiere at a given time, I will select a date and time, and the video will start showing for public at that time. Once I click schedule, now the video is ready, and we have the video link which we can share to our friends and in circle. Once I close this, see here it shows my challenge content, how to run ads on Snapchat, and this is scheduled for now. I think that is all. This way we can add our videos on YouTube.